Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Samir and you are watching my video. Today I want to share with you one topic, why I choose Camry. Yes, why I choose a Camry and what was the reason why I invested on Camry, its high cost and why I choose. So today I want to share with you these things. Okay guys, so let's see that. Guys, several months ago, I was feeling too stuck about my English language, about my communication, about my idea, about I was totally feeling to how to I improve our English language. Yeah, everyone excited, everyone think about how to we learn English language, proper way, good way. Okay, so I was practice with myself, but I realized I'm not getting a proper way, I'm not learning English language proper way. How do I learn proper way and good thing, and I don't know I'm speaking right and wrong. Okay, so I was confusing, totally confusing. I was just hesitation myself, I was learning. And second thing guys, I don't have any partner, I don't have a atmosphere, I don't have an environment. So it was horrible for me. Always I think about how to I learn. So suddenly what happened, one day I was watching a YouTube video, then I found a one video about Camly. One of guy, okay, he have a also not good experience. Okay, he was speaking just normally, and he was trying to speak properly. Okay, but he wasn't try. Then I realized a Cambly app, it's a beneficial for beginner. I realized I watch a more video, then I learn about those video, like if you beginner, if you intermediate. Okay, you will at least learn a English language. Basically you will clarify yourself if you go with Cambly. Okay, then I realized, then I read a article, I read a policy, I collected information about Cambly. Then I decided go with Camly, but it was high cost guys. Seriously, it was totally high cost. We can say if we pay on Camly, okay, then we can say monthly salary. A Camly take a plan. Yeah, monthly salary, our monthly salary guys. So just avoid these things. Okay, come to come to the point. So I decided guide, at least try it, at least take experience. If I take experience, then definitely I learn something about Camly, I learn something about English language, how to learn English language, how to speak proper, how to talk in front of people, everything. Then I decided go with Camly. Okay, so first day I called, I bought a plan. Okay, first thing I bought a plan on Camly. I decided to make a video. I decided to talk with native. Seriously, I talk many time and still now I'm making a video. I'm improving my English language with native Twitter, and it was amazing experience. I learned many things guys from Camly. Seriously, I learned many things about practice, about English language, about grammar. If you do mistake over there, they will correct you. So this is benefit for Camly guys. Seriously, why I'm telling, why people are going with Camly, because they don't have a atmosphere, they don't have a partner, they don't have an environment, they don't have a good way to learn a English language. So that's why reason people are going to with Camly. So this was the my reason guys. Like I went with Cambly, and I bought a plan and I learn. Basically right now, see, you can check my English level, you can see my English level, how I'm speaking with you in front of you guys. I'm not say that like I'm speaking advanced level, I'm just intermediate. No, I'm just learning, still learning, and I'm learning with native Twitter. This is benefit guys. Seriously, this is good platform to learning English language on Camly. Okay, so come to the point guys, like why I'm telling choose Camly, because it's gonna help for everyone. Guys, see, if you confuse, then think about your past. Okay, like you done your good graduation, you done your good degree, you done your education, you are doing a job, you are doing an advanced course like that, but still now you are improving, you are not speaking proper. Why? This is a reason, guys, because we don't have a proper way to practice. We don't have a first thing, we don't have any partner to talk with front of people, share with idea, talk to. We don't have a time also. That's why reason, guys, like people are feeling too stuck, people are complicated, people are think about like how to learn English. So many people, not many people, I'm talking about my reason, guys, like I was facing a lots of problem about my communication. I decided to go with Cambly. I bought and I made lots of video. You can check my YouTube channel, okay? Then after that, like I learn, guys. After Cambly, I learn basically. I understand how to build a confidence, how to destroy fearness and hesitation, how to speak, how to go, how to practice with English language. Okay, seriously, I learn from Cambly. That's why I choose a Cambly plan. So guys, if you interest, like if you want to improve your English language, then you can also go with Cambly. It's gonna help. At least try it, guys. At least take a experience. Then after that, definitely you will realize what I'm talking about right now. You will learn something from Cambly about culture, about exam, about IELTS exam, about job, about career. Many things you will learn from Cambly. So at least try, at least take experience. Then after Cambly, like if you like, then continue. Otherwise, you can drop idea, guys. If possible, then choose. Otherwise, if you have a good atmosphere, good environment, good partner, then you can practice those things, okay? But I'm talking about those people like whoever belong to village area, or whoever don't have a atmosphere, environment, partner, and not good way. So those people can go with Cambly easily without hesitation. At least try it and improve yourself, improve your English language. Definitely you will be become a master, not master, but at least learner. At least you will able to talk in front of people. You will understand lots of things what people are talking about, how to understand, how to learn a English language, how to present our idea in front of people. And if you interest on Cambly, guys, seriously, you will become a public speaking over there. You can present your mind over there. They will teach you, they will guideline you, seriously. That's why reason, guys, like I choose a Cambly plan. And it was a reason, guys, because I'm preparing my interview. I want to make a good career about my job, okay? So that's why I went Cambly. And I realize right now I'm a beginner, guys. I'm not telling about like I'm a, speaking fluently, okay? Still now I'm learning from Cambly, from myself, from another partner, like that. I create my own self. I create an atmosphere. I create an environment, and I talk to myself because I learn from Cambly. Like they teach me, they taught me like if you do something yourself, definitely your English will be perfectly. You can improve yourself, guys. So this is all about Cambly, okay? So if you interested, then you can go. Otherwise, don't go. And you can improve yourself. You can practice with your partner, with your family, with your colleagues, okay? So I hope so you will understand. So this was the reason like made for video, okay? And if you like video, please give me thumbs, give me like comment, and do subscribe. And see you soon. We will meet again next video. Bye bye. And always practice, always learn about English language. If you interest, if you passion about English language, guys, then do it. Don't wait for, don't wait for anything, okay? Just learn every day, every time, okay? Bye bye. Thank you very much.